I'm racing against John from work. My God. I don't even know if this thing will do an actual burnout. I got my foot hard up on the brake. Probably won't do one. I'm gonna embarrass myself here. Big time. Put in first. All right, it did do a burnout, just. So we're gonna stick it in drive. Stall it up. We're going against a Stinger, and he's choppy. 60, 80, 100, 110, and that's it, all over. Let's see if we can't get an awesome time out of that. $381. Thank you.
Remember to tell me you cook one.
Sorry?
Remember to tell me you cook one.
18.4.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. 18.4 at 73 mile per hour. Woohoo! Damn, son.